In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare drawings in Bluebeam if you're working with revisions, approvals, or field updates. Quickly spotting what changed between two drawings can save a ton of time and prevent costly mistakes. We'll walk through a straightforward workflow using Visual Compare, and I'll add context so you know why each choice matters. Start by opening Bluebeam Review. Having your two drawings ready and clearly named will help you keep things organized as you go. It's also helpful, though not required, if the drawings are from the same set and are aligned to the same scale and orientation. Visual Compare is designed to handle a lot of that automatically, but starting clean sets you up for success. Next, head to the menu at the top and go to Document, then Compare, and choose Visual Compare. This tool is great for visually highlighting differences between two versions of the same sheet. It creates an overlay that makes additions, deletions, and shifts easy to see at a glance, which is especially useful on dense architectural or MEP plans. Click Select Files to choose the two drawings you want to compare. Pick the older version as your first file and the newer version as your second. Consistently choosing them in that order helps changes read logically in the comparison, with new content standing out the way you expect. If the files come from different sources or exports, don't worry. Visual Compare will do its best to align them. Before you run the comparison, take a moment to adjust the settings. If you want to focus on geometry and layout, turn on options to ignore text so that minor note edits don't flood your results. If color doesn't matter, like when comparing a colorized PDF to a black and white one, ignore colors to keep the comparison clean. You can also ignore line weights, which is helpful when changes are stylistic rather than substantive. These filters reduce noise so you can zero in on actual design changes. If alignment options appear, choose automatic alignment to let the software match up the drawings as closely as possible. When you're ready, click Compare. Bluebeam will analyze the two files and present a visual overlay, typically using contrasting colors to highlight what's new, what's removed, and what stayed the same. Zoom in to confirm details at door swings, dimensions, and equipment tags. If the results feel busy, tweak the settings and run the comparison again for a cleaner view. That's all there is to it. With Visual Compare, you can quickly verify revisions and communicate changes with confidence.